Muthenya umwe thutha wa igoti gwatha kamiti ya ithurano IEBC yethe kambuni ingi ya gucabithia maratathi ma kura ma giturwa kia president, IEBC riu ni yanjitie kwibanga niguo yanjiririe mutaratara ucio. Muikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati augite mutaratara ucio ukwanjiriria na mucemanio na ahuraniri othe a giturwa kia president, mucemanio uri ukaharirio muthenya wa Jumatatu rucini.
The Commission shall hold a meeting with all presidential candidates on the 10th of July 2017 at 11 a.m.
IEBC ohoyuritie muingi gutuma mawoni mao megi mutaratara ucio wa gwetha kambuni ingi gukinyagia muthenya wa Jumaine.
Shall invite the public to submit memoranda on procurement of presidential ballot papers to reach us by 11th of July 2017 by 5 p.m.
Na muthenya wa Jumatano, IEBC ni kahariria giikaro na muingi kuria a Kenya makaheo kanya ga kuruta mawoni mao imwe kwa imwe kuri IEBC megie mutaratara wa gwetha kambuni ingi. No ona kuri uguo, IEBC yugite ni ikuria igoti rithathaure itemi riria muingi wagirire kunyita hari kwamura kambuni iria ikuheo kandarathi iyo.
Yes, we are complying with the High Court decision as to the issue related to public participation, but at the same time we are appealing to ensure that the framework for public participation is set out as expected. Because there's no legislation at the moment, as you know, there's no policy which has been set by the Public Procurement Authority, but that needs to be put in place so that we are all on the same page as a country.
Igoti rirathire IEBC yethe kambuni ingi ya gucabithia maratathi ma kura ya president thutha wa ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro NASA guthii igoti-ini na kugati IEBC ndiarumirire mutaratara muira wa kuhe kambuni ya Al Ghurair kandarathi ya gucabithia maratathi ma kura. No ona kuri uguo, kambuni iyo ya Al Ghurair niyo igucabithia maratathi ma kura maituro icio ingi ciothe tiga kia president. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.